7.2 method of integration 30 number question we have to start, and here we have to use substitution method. We have the put, let put 2 plus 3 x to the power 3 equal to t. So we have 3 3 9 x square into dx equal to dt. X square dx means dt upon 9 according to question. So here are x square into dx. We have to put this is equal to dt. 1 upon 9 is separate, and t to the power 3. This is very simple process. 1 upon 9 or t to the power minus 3 into dt. This gives simple form 1 upon 9. This is algebraic form, so we have to write t to the power minus 3 plus 1 minus 3 plus 1 plus c, and 1 upon 9 and t minus 3 plus 1, it means t to the power minus 2, and minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1 upon 18, or t means 2 plus 3 x के power 3 and power 3. This is the x class. We have to explain. We have to put this 2 plus 3x के power 3 equal to t. Put means we have to differentiate 2 का 0, 3 3 is 9, x square into dx. We have to find x square dx equal to dt of x square dx equal to dt upon 9 t के power 3. This is in the algebraic form. T के power minus 3 plus 1 upon minus 3 plus 1, and 1 upon 9 t के power minus 2 upon minus 2, and then last we have to put the value of t 2 plus 3x के power. This is the complete solution. One upon integration 1 upon x log x or power m. We have to substitute log x. So put log x. This is the method. Log x equal to t. 1 upon x into dx equal to dt. We have to put dx upon x. This is dx and this is x. This value is dt. So this is simple form dt, and this is t to the power m, and we have t to the power minus m into dt. This is also easy. This is we have a direct answer, t to the power minus m plus 1. This is also minus m plus 1, and t to the what is that? Log x. So we have also this is log x to the power minus m plus 1 upon minus m plus 1 plus 3. We have to explain this question. We have dx upon x log x के power m. We have to put log x equal to m. So 1 upon x into dx. This is dx upon x equal to dt, and t के power m. This is very easy. t के power minus m dt, and this is minus m plus 1 upon minus m plus 1. This is in algebraic form, and we also put t the what is that? Log x, or this is a minus m plus 1 upon minus m plus 1. This is the complete 14th. Fifth number question, we have to write x dx upon 9 minus 4x square. 9 minus 4x square. We have to substitute this. we have to try later. Put 9 minus 4x square equal to 0. This is 0 minus 4 to the 8 x into dx equal to dt. Then we have to x dx. So x dx, what is the x dx? This is dt upon minus 8. This is the value of dt upon minus 8. Also x dx dt, so minus 1 upon 8 and 1 upon 8, this is dt and this is t and dt upon t. This formula is log t, and log t we also substitute the value of, this is minus 1 upon 8 and this is and plus c. We have minus 1 upon 8 log, and if I put the value of this, so 9 minus 4x square plus c. We have to explain x dx. We have to put 9 minus 4x square equal to, this is the method. We have minus 8x into dx. We have x dx equal to minus 1 upon 8 dt upon t, and dt upon t means log t. Log t we have to also put the value of t. T means 9 minus 4x square. This is the complete solution and explain. We have to next 16 question is e to the power 2x plus 3 into dx. Okay, we have to substitute, put 2x plus 3 equal to t. So this means 2 into dx equal to dt. Also dx equal to dt upon 2. We have to here dx. What is the value of dx? So dt upon 2. So 1 upon 2 is constant. This is simple form. A to the power t and dt. This is, we also know that e to the power t means 2x plus 3 and plus c. We have to explain e to the power 2x plus 3 into dx. We have to put 2x plus 3 equal to t. So 2 into dx equal to dt. And what is the value of dx? Dx equal to dt upon 2, and we have to also put the return t value 2x plus 3. So this is the complete answer and explanation.
What about
17. Question is x dx upon e to the power x square. We have to put x square equal to t. So this is 2x into dx equal to dt. So x into dx, the value of, we have to find x dx. This is dt. This is the process. We have to take x into dx. This is x into dx. We also write this is equal to dt upon 2. So 1 upon 2. This is constant. This is t, and this is e to the power t. E to the power t means we have also write the form of a standard form minus t into dt, and we have to apply formula same to same. So 1 upon 2 e to the power minus t, and also minus here, and this is the minus 1. So we have also write minus 1 plus c, and we also put the value of, so this is minus half e to the power, what is t? So x square plus c. We have to explain x dx upon e to the power x square. Put the value of x square equal to t. So 2x into dx, x dx equal to dt upon 2. Then we have to put dt upon 2 here, 1 upon 2, and also e to the power minus t. This is standard form, same to same, or minus, this is minus 1. We also write minus half e to the power minus t plus c, and then last e to the power, we have to put x square in place of t. We have to explain that question. e के पावर tan इनवर्स x अपॉन 1 प्लस x स्क्वायर. We also put tan inverse x. Let put tan inverse x. This is the method. Tan inverse x equal to the value of this is 1 upon 1 plus x square into dx equal to dt. Okay, this is so we have dt. We have e to the power t into very easy e के power t means e के power t. So e के power t means same to same. So t and plus c. Also put the value of t. So what is t? So e to the power tan inverse. We have also explained and c e के power tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square. We have to put tan inverse x equal to t. So e के power t and 1 upon 1 plus x square. This is dx upon x. So this is completed dt and this is very simple form e to the power t into dt. Same to same e के power t plus c and same we have to also put tan inverse x in place of t. This is the complete. 2x minus 1 upon e के पावर 2x plus 1. If we do take common, this is also e के power x plus e के power minus x. Also we have to common e के power x and e के power x plus e के power 1. So plus this is minus. So this is minus and this is also e के power minus x into dx. This is cancelled. Then we have to put this e के power x plus e के power minus x equal to what? Put e के power x plus e के power minus x equal to t. So this is e के power x minus e के power minus x into dx equal to dt. So that is dt. We also substitute the value of e के power. This is t and here is this 1 upon t into dt. This is also very easy. 1 upon t means log t. This is log t plus c and what is log t? So log what is t? So e के power x plus e के power minus x plus c. We have to also check and explain e के power 2x minus 1. This is not in standard form. We have to take common e के power x. Then e के power x minus e के power minus x. We also take e के power x is common. This also give e के power x plus e के power minus x. Then we have to put this equal to t. So e के power x minus e के power minus x into dx equal to dt. And which it is also come in very easy form dt upon t. This is log t. And also last we have to put the value of e के power x plus e के power. We have to explain.